I represent Viking Airport Equipment and my name's John P and I'm the General Manager. It's mainly global around airport stillage units, stillage systems, aircraft, safety equipment. So that could be anything from trailers to dollies. That is part of the cargo and passenger experience once you get to the airport. The turnover for the company is 4 million for 2022. We've done two major projects. One was at London Heathrow, which was a 4-storey ULD storage system. And the second one, working very closely with factory, was the Stansted project, where it was over £1 million contract that we put a loaded decking in for a major customer of ours. We've been using factory now for 4 years. Early this year, I brought in a procurement manager within the business. One of his first tasks was to look at subcontractors right throughout the business. So one, we could develop a relationship with them, and two, look at the best prices for our business. And factory came to the forefront of being part of that with us. We got a very positive feedback from other customers who have used factory, and from the basis of that, working on the Stansted project was the first contract, and it has paid off for this business. With factory, once we've established so much work within our business that we can't do anymore, factory was very helpful right from the very start, again with the Stansted project, because they managed to take most of the work from us so we could look at the unique side of our business. So working in partnership with factory, it brought both companies together to assist so we could develop and get the equipment onto site on time, first time round, with no issues. We like the one-to-one dealings with the sales team. Someone like your sales department do come into this factory, do know our products and procedures and processes, so they understand the quality of what Viking Airport Equipment is trying to get out into the market. So both give a first-class service where we're trying to develop the UK market especially, and Europe, so people see the product to a high level. Factory will take some of the manpower issues away from us, where you will manufacture away from this business and quality check the standards to make sure we get the same standards of we're producing here. Because the contracts may only last for 3 to 4 months at a time, or the project 3 to 4 months, by using factory we can spread our workload between two businesses rather than opening another factory and taking on extra amount of staff. So we're keeping control of all our costs. The time-saving measures is because you've got another business like factory looking after that project. It helps us to move on to other projects. So instead of running one project like the DHL at London Heathrow, we had the capability working on a FedEx project down at Stansted. I think factory have got the basis where they're diverse, so they can use bigger or smaller companies. Factory was very positive when they came in to us right at the very start. So from us as a medium-sized company, it's beneficial that factory look at all aspects of this industry. I think they've got the processes and procedures and the mentality that we have got at Viking Airport Equipment. I think the quality, the standards that we've seen so far mirror what we can do here. We've had no doubts or preconception from factory. We have a good working relationship, and long that continue.